everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a good day. Guys, we're finally going to a meet. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, guys. It's been a good minute, but I'll make it up to you guys with this video, I promise. Please subscribe if you still haven't yet. Guys, it'll mean a lot to me. Hit that notification button. I never say this, so once in a while I gotta say it to remind you guys. Alright guys, so today, it's a sick meet, you guys. It's a really, really nice meet. It's gonna be humongous. It's probably gonna be the biggest meet I've ever been to. So I'll try to get every car there is. Guys, we just pulled up to the pre-meet. That's my boy's M340. You guys know the M3. Look at this thing. Satin black, LCI. This is Chase's M4. He just got it. Used to have one of these, bagged. Oh.
That was me. I was holding the button back.
Yo, this thing is clean. There we go. We got a beautiful R8 right here. What's up, man?
Yo, what's going on?
Damn, look at this caliper setup.
Man, should we wait till you get to the spot?
Oh my god, the GTRs are pulling up. This is a pre-meet, by the way, you guys. We haven't got the spot yet, so it's just chilling right now. We're waiting for everybody to pile up. Look, just pulled up. Oh my god, GTR heaven, guys, for all you GTR fans. Oh my god, it's a real wide body. What's up, man? Oh my god. You guys, sorry it's dark time, but you can still see it. Oh my god. Bro, that's so sick. Man, I'm telling you, it's real. Battle Arrow. Guys, there's so many sick whips coming through. This is one of my favorite wraps. You guys can already tell what's going on here. Holographic McLaren. This is Mark's whip. We went to Hyprrally, Palm Springs one time. Sync wrapped this. As you can see right here, search him up. They're on Instagram. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. Wow.
Oh, yeah. That one.
This is so sick. This thing's really loud too. I think he has downpipes on it. It's really nice. Guys, I can't get over this wrap. God, look at what I did to my headlights. Just asking for attention for now. It's a real Targa, man. This is so sick. This part actually comes out and like literally it just folds back. It's pretty sick. I like the way it does it. This is a GT3 right here. Oh my god. Dude, this color, it's like a Laguna Seca, but I'm lying. It's Miami. It's Miami blue for sure. Oh man, we got a calling in. Calling in. I'm going to a meet. Man, this thing is nice. Look at this. Man, this thing is so clean, you guys. Oh my god, it's a real one. This Nardo Gray is really doing it, you guys, with the blue calipers. I'm loving it. Oh my god, the carbon fiber accents. Glad those lights are on. Hopefully you guys can see it. You guys, look at this thing. Oh my god. This one's originally green, I think. Oh my god, it's a white socket. This is so beautiful. Look how huge these wheels are. It says Porsche right here. Beautiful. Again, you guys, I'm so sorry that it's dark, but we will get some light going soon when we get to the garage. Guys, traffic is crazy. It's crazy. Guys, this is a anything and everything meet. What? No way, you guys. A Honda Accord wide body. Look at those wheels. They just told me to get the hell out of here. Here. Back it up, back it up. Oh my god, look at this thing. That's so sick. Uh-oh. It's crazy here. There's cars going in circles. I don't know if the entrances are closed. We can't get in, but it's a lot of cars everywhere. Cops everywhere. What's up? Hey, how are we gonna get in?
There's so many cars.
Hey, all I know is that wrap is clean.
Thank you, brother.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I told you that I had downpipe. Lantern, guys. What? Look at the caged upness. Oh my god, that's sick.
good, whatever that is. That sounds like the vet. That's a nice sound. You know that's cammed down for sure.
The entrance, you guys. We just can't get in until 8 p.m. And it's, what time is it? 7:52. We got 8 minutes to swerve around, ride around. And this is the entrance. That's loud. We got photographers walking around taking pictures. Oh my god, it's getting loud.
Guys, it opened up, so it's like really slowly going, but it's like 4 corners everywhere.
Man, look at that. Hold on. Guys, this is the Australian SS. That's pretty sick, not gonna lie. I love those emblems.
Ooh, wide body? Ooh, that looks like a Liberty. Nowadays, Rocket Bunnies, Liberties, everything out there. With a rabbit right there. All you hear is revs, gunshots, and bags. See an M3. Crazy.
Literally, I couldn't get in, so I came to eat, you guys. We're gonna eat, and look at this on the street. It's smoking out. There's so many cars trying to get in at 4 different entrances. Literally, you guys, it's a crazy meet. I'm gonna still try to get in. I'm just gonna eat because I was hungry.
Listen to that thing.
Guys, look at that Yas Marina F4. LCI outfit. Ooh, DL1. Look at the color. Oh man, look at that lineup, you guys. It's crazy. It's been like hours. No one's getting in or slowly getting in. Ooh, that's a nice paint job right there. 370Z.
Yo, this is the real deal. Finally getting in.
Like a parking structure going through the blue room. It's pretty crazy, hella people. Guys, we made it. Finally. Just dumped the M3 right there. Let everybody enjoy it. Because I know I'm enjoying it, just sitting there right there. But there's so much to see. We're gonna go all the way to the top. We'll see how everything is. Yo, check this Kia out. This has to be a Stinger right here. Oh my god, wide body out too. Crazy color too. Nice Porsche. AMG status. Ooh, I think this is Christian's, yeah. Oh man. I went to Hyprrally with him. Ooh, nice, very nice. Look at this lime green GTR, you guys. Wow. That's crazy. Slammed, you guys, with wide kit on it. Oh my god. Look at the Zio. So sick. The lineup back there. Lambo right there. Supra. Ooh, look at the wing on that F4. Oh my god. It's a Gallardo, I know, but it's still a Lambo. Amazing. This thing is sick. Guys, this is so cool. Everybody's around my car. I've seen so many people taking pictures. Everyone's been commenting on it. They gave me thumbs up all day long. Origins right here. First thing they're gonna see is my wide body. Everybody coming there. Look at it. Everybody coming from that wide body. Supra. Damn. So nice, guys. Look how clean this color is. The real Evo too.
Vision to life? Look at this already. Look at my boys right there. Yo! That's not that big. This thing, bro. What the hell? What is that? GTR, Tokyo Drift Time. So clean, you guys. Damn, look at that beat. Oh my god. Look at this thing, yo. Look at this. How does it sound right? The Lotus. Look at that wide body GTR. Wow. Sick. Guys, I gotta tell you, this is huge. There's a lot of social distancing going on. Damn, you guys, I love wide body. Damn. Look at this beauty. Look at this forest carbon right here. Damn. Oh, look at the new M4. Are you guys ready for the new M4 or what? Damn, those are the comp wheels. Grills for days. Grills for days. Damn. Filling up my whole camera. This is a real comp though. Look at this color, you guys, amazing. Those seats are ridiculously amazing. Damn. Alright, tail light time. Woo! That's so badass. Hey, look at that SVJ right there. Yeah, look at that F5 exhaust. Wow, this is so amazing, you guys. Oh my god, guys. This is insane, guys. I don't know what to say. This is insane. I don't know what this is. Please, somebody tell me what this is. Let's see, they usually write it on the dash. SF50. SF30. Damn. Well, there's something new we learned today, yo. SF30. Damn, look at a whole different game. Man, look what that is. RX-7 or what? Can't even tell. No, it's a Silva. Oh man, that Silva's loud. Oh, look at this slam, the thing. Oh my god, bags for days. Rose gold? C63S? Nah, they didn't have no S. But it's a 6.3 though. Or I think it is. Pretty dope. Man, this GTR is something else. That GTR is so sick, you guys. Bro, this is the biggest event I've ever been to, you guys. Anybody ever want to go, trust me, just go. Just go. Look up Originkazoku. I'll put it in here, you guys will see it. Just follow that page and come. That's all I can say. Three got DTM headlights right there. Pretty sick. Damn, those headlights are sick. Got the honeycomb right there. Oh, that's nice. Apex. Nice wing. Ooh, it's first gen. Ooh. You don't see that often. Everybody always switches them. But I used to have one, 09, for a very long time, guys. 5 years I drove one. Oh, man. C8 game. You can't go wrong with this car. Ooh, look at the diamonds. Damn, this is pretty sick, you guys. Another vet right there, lime green, 5.0 G. Taillights. They're painted. Ooh, look at this, carbon fiber now, glittery. Ooh, look at these taillights. You guys, headlights and taillights all day. Alright, this is like a full build. Wide body, carbon fiber down. Oh man, bagged up for sure. Look at these tips, yo. Everything's carbon fiber. This looks like a fun toy. Look at this thing. Oh my god. Look at this thing. It's a real show car. Something about wide body right here. That looks so good. He's on bags for sure. There's no way it's that high. Oh, this is a beauty. Very nice. Oh yeah. Oh, original. Can't go wrong with this. I bet you this thing shoots. Gunshots for really like GPRs. Mustang 5.0. Guys, I'm not kidding. There's so much people. So much people. I'm not even kidding. I can't even see my car. Look, you can barely see my car. It's pretty cool though. A lot of people are taking pictures of it. Takes a minute to get through, guys. We'll get there. We'll get there. Oh, let's show love for this Beamer. Look how slammed this thing is, you guys. Man, look at the back. Color's pretty sick too. Resembles a secure orange. Wow. Look at this thing, dude. Look at this thing. This thing is sick. Day and night, this is all happening all night. That R8 is so sick. Yo! How you guys doing? Everything good?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Stuff looks good, bro. You changed it up.
Yeah, I do want to change it again.
I'll see you later, bro. I really like those wheels though. Can't go wrong. Damn, look at that thing. It's so huge. Look how wide it is. Stop. Guys, I don't know how this bird got in. I hope it doesn't do it. Oh, hell no. He just leaked. Simple all day. Oh, he took a shit? No, he didn't. No, did he? No way. It did. Oh my god, it did right there. You guys, this fool just took a shit on a badass Ford. Oh. Oh. Damn, look at this twist, yo. This is how you do a drift right here. Look at this. Look at this. This is a real drifter. Oh my god. This is the tandem drifters right here. This is a pretty nice build. Oh my god. See those scuffs getting in and out? Yep, this thing's been through a lot. I really like these though. You can have so much fun with these, man. Man, look at this thing. Finally an F10 M5. What? Oh man, look at the angel light. This build. What headlights are built. Looks like it's... Oh, that's nice. just driving around, and oh my god, the sickest cars. Sickest cars. Look at that GTR. So fast. Oh my god, the Zeal. Oh my god. Look at all the people. Hear that scream, guys? Yep, that means I'm going home. Finally, guys. I couldn't get every car. It was too many cars. Alright, guys, that's it for today. It's a wrap. One hell of a meet. I want to say that was the biggest meet I've ever been to be real. That was probably like 2,000 cars. So stay tuned for the next one, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys.